Vehicle dynamics is a fascinating field that explores how vehicles move and respond to driver inputs. Imagine a car navigating a winding road. Understanding the forces at play helps us optimize its performance and safety. This journey begins with appreciating the control loop: driver, vehicle, and environment. The driver provides input through steering, acceleration, and braking, aiming to maintain control and achieve desired motion. The vehicle itself, a complex system of interconnected components, translates these inputs into motion. The environment, including the road surface, weather conditions, and other vehicles, influences how the vehicle behaves. It's this interplay between driver, vehicle, and environment that defines vehicle dynamics. Consider the simple act of steering. The driver turns the wheel, the vehicle's wheels change direction, and the car follows a curved path. However, factors like road friction and tire condition play a significant role in the actual outcome. Understanding vehicle motion involves analyzing key variables: longitudinal motion, forward and backward, lateral motion, sideways, and yaw, rotation around a vertical axis. These motions are not isolated but interlinked, creating the complex dance of vehicle dynamics. Picture a car taking a corner. It experiences both lateral and yaw motion simultaneously, influenced by steering input and tire grip. These variables are crucial for understanding how a vehicle behaves under various conditions. Finally, vehicle control systems such as ABS and electronic stability control assist the driver in maintaining stability and control. These systems constantly monitor vehicle motion and intervene when necessary to prevent loss of control. Think of ABS as a safety net, preventing wheel lockup during hard braking, while stability control helps maintain vehicle trajectory by selectively applying brakes or reducing engine power. These systems are essential for enhancing safety and performance in challenging driving situations. Forces are the fundamental agents of motion, constantly influencing a vehicle's behavior. Gravity, the ever-present force pulling everything towards the Earth's center, plays a crucial role in vehicle dynamics. It determines the weight distribution on the tires, affecting traction and handling. Consider a car climbing a hill. Gravity opposes its upward motion, requiring more engine power to overcome. Dynamic axle loads, which change during acceleration, braking, and cornering, further influence vehicle behavior. When a car accelerates, weight shifts to the rear wheels, increasing their grip and improving traction. Conversely, braking shifts weight forward, enhancing front-wheel braking effectiveness. These dynamic shifts in weight distribution are critical factors in vehicle handling and stability. Static loads, representing the weight distribution when the vehicle is at rest, are equally important. They determine the initial balance of the vehicle and influence its response to driver inputs. Imagine a heavily loaded truck. Its static load distribution significantly impacts its handling and braking characteristics compared to an empty truck. Understanding static loads is essential for optimizing vehicle design and performance. Hitch forces, acting on a towing vehicle, add another layer of complexity. These forces depend on the trailer's weight and its connection point to the vehicle. A heavy trailer can significantly alter the towing vehicle's handling, requiring careful consideration of hitch design and weight distribution. Proper hitch setup is crucial for safe and stable towing, preventing dangerous swaying or loss of control. Tires, the critical interface between vehicle and road, play a pivotal role in vehicle dynamics. They provide grip, transmit forces, and contribute significantly to ride comfort and handling. Choosing the right tire type is crucial for optimizing vehicle performance and safety. Different types of tires cater to diverse driving needs and conditions, ranging from high-performance summer tires to rugged off-road tires. Summer tires, designed for warm weather, offer superior grip and handling on dry and wet roads. Their soft compound and unique tread patterns maximize traction, enhancing cornering and braking performance. However, they perform poorly in cold temperatures and snowy conditions, becoming hard and losing grip. Choosing the right tire for the season is essential for maintaining optimal safety and performance. Winter tires, specifically engineered for cold and snowy conditions, provide enhanced grip on icy and snow-covered roads. Their specialized tread patterns and softer compound maintain flexibility even in freezing temperatures, ensuring effective traction. However, they are not suitable for warm weather driving, as their soft compound wears out quickly on hot pavement. Switching to appropriate tires for each season is crucial for safe and efficient driving. All-season tires offer a compromise between summer and winter performance, providing acceptable grip in a wider range of conditions. They are a convenient option for drivers who experience moderate weather variations and don't want to change tires seasonally. However, they don't excel in extreme conditions, offering less grip than specialized summer or winter tires. Choosing the right tire depends on the specific driving needs and prevailing weather conditions. Understanding tire specifications is crucial for selecting the right tire for your vehicle and driving style. These specifications provide valuable information about the tire's dimensions, load capacity, speed rating, and construction. Deciphering these codes allows you to make informed decisions about tire selection and maintenance. The sidewall of a tire contains a wealth of information, including the tire size, load index, and speed rating. Tire size, denoted by a series of numbers and letters, indicates the tire's width, aspect ratio, and wheel diameter. For instance, a tire size of 205 by 55 R16 indicates a width of 205 millimeters, an aspect ratio of 55, sidewall height is 55% of the width, and a wheel diameter of 16 inches. Understanding these dimensions is crucial for ensuring proper fitment on your vehicle. Load index and speed rating indicate the maximum load and speed a tire can safely handle. These ratings are essential for ensuring safe operation and preventing tire failure. Exceeding these limits can lead to dangerous consequences, including tire blowouts or loss of control. Always choose tires with appropriate load and speed ratings for your vehicle and driving conditions. Tire construction, encompassing the materials and design used in building the tire, significantly influences its performance characteristics. Different types of construction, such as radial and bias ply, offer varying levels of durability, ride comfort, and handling. Radial tires, with their steel belts running perpendicular to the tread, provide better grip, fuel efficiency, and longer tread life compared to bias ply tires. Understanding tire construction helps you choose the right tire for your specific needs.